So this is the base paper of this project, that is GenCoder++. So usually the main part of your application is intrusion detection. That intrusion detection, what is mean by intrusion means we are having some interruptions. Okay, so that will be comes under intrusions. So the intrusions we are going to do on a framework called vehicular network. In a vehicular network, wherever we are having intrusion detection, we are going to detect that interruptions. Okay, so for that we are going to use hybrid CAN Ethernet. So nearly in the base paper they are using some machine learning classifier. Apart from that, we are using GenCoder and GenCoder++. Totally nearly 5 to 6 parts we are going to implement. So first we have to gather a data set. Okay, in ideas approach, the GenCoder will be the part of extension as well as a future work, also proposed thing which we are going to implement in this application. So you can see in the base paper itself, they are using IDS dataset, that will be a part of CAN. Okay, CAN intrusion detection dataset we are using. So I just show you the dataset details. So this will be the dataset. So we are using this dataset as a training part. Okay. So this dataset contain number of targets. So the target names will be achieved in a code. So I just show you here. So first we are importing the data set and then we are analyzing the data set details, and then what are the targets 0, 3, 2, 1, that is 0 to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the target process. Then we are pre-processing the data by using by using pre-processing steps, and then we are entering into the um, autoencoder and decoder process, and then we are training and we are classifying. So this what the four type of classes we are analyzing and we are classifying over here. So first we processed by using encoder decoded part, and then again I'm classifying. This will be the classification report and confusion matrix. Then I'm entering the same data set with different type of algorithms for classification. So random forest, MLP, SVM, and then GenCoder and GenCoder++ PP. Okay. So for the GenCoder, I'm getting this much as a training part and this much for the GenCoder++, and I'm classifying. So this will be the classification part GenCoder and this will be the classification part for GenCoder++. And I am saving the details as a part of how much accuracy which I am getting, and I'm saving the train modules. So on the same basis here for the simple CNN I am using for the same data set. For the simple CNN I'm getting nearly 91% accuracy. So this will be the validation loss and validation accuracy part, and training loss and training accuracy part. And again I'm classifying with the ML classification algorithm, and we are processing and we are storing here for the GenCoder and GenCoder++ as a part of train module. Okay, so by using train module only we can predict the answer. So this will be the registration part. So the password contains some restrictions. If I give only, so it never accept. So we have to give proper password. And age also 3-digit number. So before that you have to add 0. So the registration is done successfully. So you can log in here. So log in successfully. So the result part will be the classification analysis, evaluation metrics part. So if I click result, it will take the data as a test CSV, and it will be processed for random forest for the evaluation metrics. Okay. So this will be the part of those things and the prediction. So here, if you upload test data as an input, Based on that, for each evaluation metrics, for each classification reports, it's getting the analysis result and actual versus prediction and overall prediction class distribution based on random forest. So just show the data set which I tested. Okay. So I tested with different target classes. So 0 will be the part and 1 also available and 2 and 3. All type of targets value as an given as an input and we predicted as a result.